So let's start with just the basics. Naturopathy is something that not lot of people understand what that means. So maybe you could just give us a little description of what being a naturopath means to you.
Sure. Well, to me, naturopathy, it's traditional medicine. I mean, if you think about, I look at everything from a design perspective, biblical perspective. God designed the earth. He made a garden. It was good. We know some bad things happened with sin and all that, but the reality is that God gave us everything we need. He gave us the plants. He gave us the medicine. He gave us the foods, and we have kind of not focused so much on God lately. We've put all of our trust in man and a man-made medical system and pharmaceutical drugs, and not that they don't have some good diagnostic tools and some different things, but we put too much trust, I feel like, in the hand of man. And so I'm always trying to encourage people to get back to how God designed things. So if you think of naturopathy, just think of the word nature. Like, we're using nature. We're using plants and sunshine and water and herbs, which is all people have ever used throughout all of human history. Things have drastically changed in the last 150 years, and I think some people would say for the better. I don't feel like it's for the better. I think we're regressing. I don't think we're progressing. And I think a lot of people are realizing the shortcomings of the medical industry. And not that a lot of people don't already use natural medicine, but I think it's becoming more and more and more prevalent as people see the shortcomings and oftentimes the dangers of what can happen in the medical industry.